Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Meet audio issues while presenting a screen. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Meet and I'm going to show you how we can fix the audio issues while presenting screen problem. So if you want to fix this problem, we need to go to the Google Meet setting. We can click on the three dots and then go to the settings. And then here you can select the microphone on your device. You can select your default microphone, or you can also choose the external microphone. Here I only have one, so I'm just going to select this option, and then make sure you select the speaker as well, and don't forget to turn on your microphone to make the audio can be heard by other participants in the Google Meet. You need to activate your microphone, and after that you'll be able to share the presentation with audio. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix Google Meet audio issues while presenting screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!